Yongkang Tiange Electric Company Limited was founded in 2004 and is located in Yongkang City, ZHEJIANG Province. Yongkang City is the capital of China's hardware, which is next to Yiwu City and also close to Ningbo and Shanghai Port. Taking advantage of this excellent location and our ready access to outstanding quality raw materials to offer our customers products at very low prices. We are a professional manufacturer of kitchen appliances, such as ice crushers, ice shaver machines, snow cone machines, juice extractors, etc. Our company has modern standard workshops, which occupy an area of more than 18,000 square meters. With more than 20 years of efforts and development, we have become a famous company in the area of commercial catering equipment and also extended good business relationships with clients from North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, etc. In order to supply satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have ETL, CE, CCC, and FCC certificates. We pay attention to the technology development and after-sales service. As a factory, we try our best to meet customers' requests to meet different market needs. Our principle is quality first, customer foremost. We sincerely invite friends from home and abroad to visit our factory or send inquiries.